Okay, so for the first day, we're gonna do comparing whole numbers. Now, HISD tells you to print out those numbers, but if you can see, all I did, I'm using some blocks that I had and I just put the numbers on there. So you can go ahead and flip those over. If you have dominoes, you can use dominoes. If you have cards, you can use cards. Whatever you have, even if it's just pieces of paper, as long as you put the numbers on them from 0 to 9. Now you're gonna have to mix them up and then just have them pull out 4 digits at a time because that's going to be their numbers that they are going to compare. So you can go ahead and flip 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've already created a number in the thousands place. So you have 4,816. So we're gonna have to write those down. And then if I create another number, now you can have 1,070. I need a third number, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can say I have 5,528. And then your last number, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 9,253. So I'm gonna go ahead and write those 4 numbers down. Grab my paper, let me push these over. So we said 9,253, 5,528, 1,070, and 4,816. Those are the 4 numbers that we made just by flipping those over. Now we're gonna want to order these numbers from greatest to least, and then you can try even least to greatest. The first thing that we want our students to do is always write down your place value chart. So we can go ahead and draw that out, our place value chart. We have our ones place, our tens place, hundreds, our thousands place, our 10,000s place, and the last one that we're gonna do is 100,000s place. You can tell it's a pattern, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So we have a pattern. Okay, and then we can just put our numbers in order. So just go ahead and rewrite those. We have, again, 9,253, 5,528, 1,070, and 4,816. Now, looking at our numbers, we always start comparing from one place value, and then we just go ahead, move on down. So we're going to start off with our highest one, which is on this side, which would be our thousands place. So looking at our thousands place, we can see the digit here that is the highest would be 9. That would mean that is our greatest number here. 9 would be our greatest number. So I'm just gonna put a 1 there so I know that is my highest number, that is my greatest, that is the greater value. Then from here I have 5, 1, and 4. So the greater number here would be 5. So this number would be the second greatest. And then our third, and then this would be the fourth number. So then we're gonna want our kids to put this in a number line. So you can draw out a number line, you can create your own number line. This is just one that I had laying around. We're going to go ahead and put these numbers on the number line from least to greatest. It would be nice if we know that this is the least, and on the other side we have our greatest. Labeling everything. It is very important to label everything. So from least all the way to greatest. So we said our number that was the least was 1,070. So we'll put that somewhere there. The second one we said was 5,528. Then we're going to go ahead and put our greatest one, which we said was 9,258. Sorry, 53. We said it was 53. 9,253. And then we have our two numbers in the middle, which was 2 and 3. So 3 we said was 4,000. I'm going to draw these a little bit closer. 4,816. And then the last one was 5,528. Now, looking at our number line, you can see I have 1,000 over here because it's my least. Moving on to 4,816, our second least. And we have 5,528, and then our greatest number was 9,253. Now, you can keep doing this a couple of times. It starts getting fun when you can even start creating bigger numbers when you go to the 10,000s place and the 100,000s place. But please start off with low numbers. So even in the hundreds place, if you think they need to start off with smaller numbers, we can do that. Hundreds place, then start gradually moving up.